What do you think, pup? What do you think, little puppy? Huh? Alright, it got dark on us.
It's a pretty good brown.
Looks beautiful. So now we're just putting an edge on it.
A little more difficult with the round shape. You have to do a little more hand work and let it get a little bit harder before you could finish the final roundness of it in the real sharp curves, because you have a square or shape against. Now here it runs real good and smooth. See how nice it makes that turn. Then it gets hard up there. There you are. And you have to take something to do the end.
Yeah.
Kind of, because you can't get a tool in that little small area. And that's just the area to hold it in place in the dirt when you set it in your yard or garden anyway.
Beautiful.
Where's the lid for this?
I think we'll leave that line on it. Leave this impression here.
You want to leave that?
Yep.
Okay.
Unless you,
Let's
whatever
tighten that. I mean,
you're
that's
doing
fine.
with it.
We just let it tighten up a few more times, and then leave that mark and let it set, and then you go do your
All right.
Cupid or whoever carved into it. That's it. Well, I was going to get a little bit of water in the bucket.
What do you think, little doggy?
Time for puppy print, nose print.
She
Get out
growled.
of here with your growling shit.
What are you doing, washing or just moving tools? Gotta stay up with Dad, he moves quick. I don't know if you guys can see off in the distance. Oh, now we get a good camera. Alright. Got a little night vision on right here. A little hard to see. That's what I made. That's what we made right here. That's what you get, 2018. Huh, pup? What? What? You throwing me a paw? Throw me a paw. Let me get one of them paws. Alright, I'll take that. I'll take that paw. I'll take that paw. I'll take that paw. I'll take that paw. Alright.
But I think in the city, in the right place, you could make and sell all this shit. You're going to make a millionaire? No. But who else makes shit like this? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
Even go to your closest regular nursery place, you aren't going to find any yard art like this kind of shit.
Very little. The stuff's all the form work.
Mostly you'll see
standard
you'll see
stuff.
Steps. You know what I mean? The paving
Fountains.
round things with designs and this and that and the other.
All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see what this looks like. All right? Later.